Hi, this is Cable. We're going to talk about some tips and tricks for Halloween style makeup. There are a whole bunch of materials that you can choose from. Let's go over a few. So you have your basic color wheels. In this case, these are some bruising and exposure wheels. A whole bunch of different colors to represent bruising and cuts and scrapes. There's also stage blood. We'll talk about this more later. For 3D effects, not just painting on the face, you have materials like liquid latex and nose and scar wax, and also some plastic putty. There's also plain gelatin, which can be very useful for burn and scar makeups. You have powdered pigments, like eyeshadows, cream-based makeups, and grease paint.